Alright guys, so we got some shots on the Canon with the big lens. Not a great photographer, but we're back to using the gimbal. This is the, just turned it on, so it's in like pan following mode. And I'm gonna skateboard down Porto here, show you a little bit how it works. It kind of just goes with your hand. Pretty cool. Now it kind of goes wherever you tilt your arm. Right now, pretty much controlling the Pro, which I like this. It helps me to do the home shots. I'm still getting better at using the joystick. Only had it for a little bit of time now. That's my favorite mode. Kind of like just flows with the motion. You can go down, up. Kind of just goes with where you tilt your arm, which is really cool. And then if you triple tap it on this one, it'll turn around. So that's badass. So I gotta say, the gimbal is a good product for the money. Just wanted to show this again. If you have any questions about it, you can just shoot me an email. It's been pretty easy to learn. It's like 1 click or 2 clicks and it gets you into 3 different modes. Following, pan following, which it kind of just goes with the flick of your wrist, and then your own joystick control, which is where you can control it and kind of turn it all the way around. Pretty cool. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. I've got to get into the office, edit some video, and check on some clients. So have a great week.